Kiss. Kiss your brother. Good morning.
No, I have a gloss on.
Oh, just give your brother a hug then. Huggy. No, it's not like that. You always give love. Alright. Go. Good morning, guys. They're ready for school na.
Where's your jacket?
Yeah, a little bit. Tiny.
Little something.
Good morning, Gabriel.
Whose bowl is this?
That's mine.
Who's put a coffee cup on there? You?
Where? No, I think that's long time ago. Open na natin. But, ayaw nila kasi na lilagay mo na yung camera sa face nila. And, hindi pa nga sila nakahugas ng eyes. Hindi pa sila nakadamit na maayos. Anyway, hatid na muna natin ang mga bagets sa school. So, let's go, guys! So, guys, dito tayo ngayon. Nakabalik na kami after dropping off the kids. So, andito ako ngayon sa CR ng mga bagets. Dahil, maglilinis lang tayo, guys. Actually, nalinis ko na siya. Naano ko na siya. Ayan, napunasan ko na siya. Hindi naman perfect, guys. Pero, tama na yan, Char. Ayan, napunasan ko na yung mga mirror dyan. Actually, kung meron na kaming pera, i-renovate namin yung bathroom. Pero hindi mo na ngayon. Kasi nga, ito talagang old bathroom looking na siya, guys. Ayan, nalinis ko na siya. Ayan siya. And dito, nalinis ko na din. What I have to do is, ayusin natin yung everybody goes. Ano kasi siya, ito pangit kasi itong binili ko. Tapos, ito pang isa. Lolo. Hulog ito nila, guys. Ayun. At least naayos ko na itong shower curtain. Pangit kasi yan, guys, kasi nahuhulog yung parang hook niya, good. Anyway, itong bathroom namin talaga, wala pa to siyang ayos. Walang renovate kasi nga, wala pa kaming extra, pag mag-renovate, para ma-renovate ito. Kasi, di ba, as you all know, like, inuna namin yung extra room namin. And we have some other stuff. Kailangan unahin. Wala pa nga yung, kasi nilagyan dito ni asawa ko ng, para sa towels. Kailan nalalaglag siya, guys. Punta muna kami sa bangko. Dahil, uy, ito mani. Basa man ka ayo diri. No. What do you mean?
Huh?
You don't want to get dressed? You don't have to.
Well, I don't know if you're stopping somewhere.
I don't think so.
I don't think we need anything.
Yeah, we still got everything.
What do we got this week? We got no game.
Oh yeah, there's one game though.
Tomorrow we got
For Cassandra.
Girls at Cedar.
Okay.
Girls at Cedar.
Ganda na ng guys, weather. Maganda na. Yes, tingnan niyo yung mga flowers. Grabe liwanag, no? Ang aking driver's with love.
Which one?
It's up to you.
Which one's the winner? This one? They're just putting their card in that one, right?
Yeah, okay, just go right here this way. Come on, stop. Guys, alam nyo ba, I will never forget this moment. Na dyan talaga ako na stranded, guys. Kasi sa katangahan ko, nahulog yung wheels doon sa kabilang curb. Kasi nagbacking ako talaga ng bonggacious. Kaya talagang na-stuck kami dito ng ilang oras. Buti na lang, friends to the rescue. Shout out Ana and Eb. Tinulungan nila ako makaalis dito. Of course, you have to call tow truck, 'di ba? Para sila yung mag-ano. But anyway, what a disaster, guys. What a experience talaga. Antay lang namin yung kasi medyo matagal silang maglagay ng ewan. Grabe, disaster talaga yung nangyari. What a experience. Tapos si Gabriel, guys, super late pa siya. My God. Hindi ko talaga yung makalimutan. We'll never forget it. But, it's lesson learned though. Kapag maliit yung driveway, dapat hindi mo talaga i-try na ano kung tawag nito mag-reverse ba, mag-backing. Kasi talagang may tendency talaga na mangyayari yan sa'yo. Basta hindi ka expert, kasi that time hindi talaga ako expert. Until now, normal driver lang naman ako. Anyway, after dito guys, uwi na kami. Ito na ata siguro meron pang mga murang store, pero ito talaga sa nakikita is one of the store na talaga na may cheapest price. 'Di ba? Kaya doon kami bumibili, especially yung mga dress namin or mga other stuff like home stuff, ganyan. Mga murita talaga doon, guys. So, as far as I know, so, nakabili nga tayo ng dress. Ganito siyang dress. For like, so, $13.99. So, $14 na lang siya, guys. So, nasa mga, siya. Mahal din pala, no? 700 pesos. Kung sa pesos. Pero, murita na siya, guys. Ayan. Hopefully, maganda to sa atin. And, bumili din ako ng socks. Medyas. Kasi, kailangan ko ng medyas for work. Alam niyo na. And, another underwear, guys. Bumili ako ng another underwear. Kasi, ayan. Maganda naman siguro to siya na seamless siya ba? Alam niyo na, I like to wear seamless. Ako nito, para sa aking pamangkin. Kasi, very cute. Yan, di ba? Ganda niya. Kasi meron akong pamangkin na isa ba? Very payat yun siya. Payat na pamangkin. At ito pa guys, di ba? Cute. Yan siya. Shirt dito. Ayan. Pero sa akin tong nakis. Anyway, yan lang. Luto na tayo ng brunch, guys. Kasi mag-alas 11 na. So, ko lang. Ayan, yung minarinate ko na steak. Lagyan na lang natin onion, cabbage, and ito on the side na to, guys. Put the beef, guys. Saglit lang tulutuin. Okay. About pala doon sa passport ng aking anak, no? Which is si Cassandra. Kasi, hindi nyo alam, si Cassie, meron po siyang tatay sa birth certificate and meron siyang tatay sa Pilipinas. So, ang nangyari, yung first attempt namin na pag-apply sa passport, dinecline kami. Kasi nga, kailangan ng isang document, which is ang consent ng tatay niya. Good thing naman, and thankfully naman ako, and thank God naman, walang hassle yung tatay ni Cassie. Talagang automatic, nagpagawa. Sinend ko doon sa kanila yung actually sa sister ko, and then sila na mag-meet up kasi kailangan pa niya siya i-instruct ng sister ko yung mga need ko ng mga documents like IDs niya back to back, di ba? And then yung parents consent, which kailangan mo siyang kunin sa US post office. Meron kasi yan silang form, dapat notarized or else they won't accept it. So for the second time, thank God, finally, they did it. They accept the application together with the consent. It takes a while, guys. Syempre, back and forth yung documents. And anyway, it takes a while. And then, finally, na-accept na lang. And then, waiting na lang kami sa aming passport. Actual blue passport. Yun na yun yung US passport, guys. Yun yung ating cabbage. Kuhain. Mahilig din ba kayo sa cabbage like me? Yes, ako. Mahilig talaga ako sa cabbage. So, talagang okay lang kahit maraming cabbage. Pero wag naman yung over sa cabbage, no? Siguro. Yan natin tumatigas na yan eh. So guys, kailangan po nating i-voice over dahil po hindi ko alam ano nangyari. While taking this video, wala po siyang sounds. Anyway, nilagay ko na po ang cabbage and then after that, lutuin na natin, mix and all that and then let's have our brunch na guys. Ayan na po siya. Very easy lang, simple lang yan, isusutay lang yan, no? So, ayan na po, naluto na po ang ating saute, stir fry, steak, cabbage. Charot. Mag-slice lang po tayo ng avocado, no? Kasi ilagay pa natin yan sa gilid. And then, the cucumber. Si kuya nga pala mga guys ay kumakain na po sa table. Ayaw niya po magpa-film kasi he just woke up. Anyway, let's eat!
A few moments later.
Ayusin muna natin yung ating mga bagong pinamili. Actually, it's beautiful weather today. Starting to be summer na. So, wait lang guys. Kunin muna natin, okay? Continue natin yung pag-puno ng isang box, guys. So, diba, last time, ito yung ating mga nadagdag. Ayan. So, dagdagan pa natin until mapuno talaga siya, guys. They're home, guys. What?
Violet doesn't like spicy food.
Well, that's why I want you to go with me. That way, you can tell me what chips would we get. You know what I mean? So she is actually preparing for her
My birthday!
birthday, guys.
I want a phone.
Well, you better tell your daddy. Tingnan niyo naman, guys, kung paano because, well, I was young before, like, we don't dress up like crop top and all that. But right now, it's new generation. Look at her hair. So
Look
cute.
how pretty it is. I styled it myself.
That's actually really, really cute. I like
I
that.
know, right?
I like that style.
But the curls didn't stay in.
I know, but still, it's pretty cute. Let me see. Let me see the back. Turn around. There you go. See, guys? She knows how to style her hair. Woohoo!
I want a curling iron.
Well, I don't think, kasi sa totoo lang guys, we don't let her use a curling iron for now kasi she's too young and then I don't want her to ruin her hair. She always use socks to curl her hair
It's
and
getting annoying when I use socks because they never stay.
yeah, but it's good. You just have to have spray. It's good, alam nyo, kasi bata pa siya and you know, mas mabuti na yung natural yung ginagamit niya sa kanyang hair. So, you're 6th grade, girl.
6th grade is middle.
Huh?
6th grade is
Anyway, guys. Hours later. Charot. Anyway mga guys, prepare na po si Ma'am Shinyo ng dinner natin. No? So meron po tayong tilapia, fried tilapia, at saka tilapia sinigang po tayo for tonight's video and for tonight's ulam. By the way mga loves, voice over ulit po tayo dahil hindi ko alam ano nangyari sa audio ng aking camera kasi hindi po siya nag-work ang kanyang voice, ang kanyang sounds. But anyway mga guys, so binibilisan ko lang po ang aking pagluto, no? Dahil gutom na po ang aking La Familia. Si Cassie nga pala mga guys, hindi na po siya makapag-antay, kaya po nauna na po siya kumain ng dinner. Sabi po niya, approve daw. Sana all, di ba? Anyway mga guys, so si Gabriel nga pala mga guys, hindi pa daw siya gutom. Meron po siyang chinichika dyan, pero nakalimutan ko kung ano yun. Ay mga guys, pagkatapos po natin magluto mga guys, no, kailangan po natin linisin yung oven. Bakit? Ang pinakaayaw po ng afam ko is, ang iiwan ko yung oven na madumi, maraming grease mga labs. Talagang naiirita po siya dyan. Kaya nag-away kami niyan before, pero noon lang yun mga guys, no. Kaya nirerespeto ko talaga kung ano yung mga bagay na ayaw ni afam at naiirita siya. Talagang change ko yung aking way. Like for example, highway. Charot. And then mga guys, oh, may pakis pa nga yan si Apa mga guys. Siyempre, kaya naglinis ko ng yaya niya. Charot mga guys. By the way mga guys, yun lamang po at maraming salamat. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video. Salamat. Subscribe!